At the United States Air Force Academy, we live, train, and compete at a different altitude. Here, every cadet is an athlete. We will be prepared to meet challenges head-on as an officer and have the courage, strength, and discipline to be a leader of character and quality to defend our great nation. On this campus, we forge a warrior ethos that instills the will to win. Take a journey you never expected.
Wedge avalanche on 101, ready?
Become part of something bigger than yourself. And discover the United States Air Force Academy. Athletics at a different altitude.